Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at number 30, warm up, using our G's. And making sure that we're locked in on a good G. I was playing a bit flat earlier, and I think a big part of that was that I had this valve pulled out a bit further than I should have. But here we go. 1, 2, 3, and moving on to Tied and True, number 31. And in number 31, you want to make sure that as you're going through, you're getting a full 3 beats on that half note tied over to the quarter note, giving you 2 plus 1 to give you the 3 for that. And these are all D's and G's, so your fingers will stay 1 and 2 down the whole time. Don't forget to repeat at the end of the line. And 1, 2, 3. Alright, and moving on now to 32. Alright, so Jolly Old St. Nicholas. And here we go on part A. Moving on to part B. One, 2, 3, part B. Part B. On to part B. Right, and let's jump down to Amigos. And in Amigos, we're dealing with ties across measure lines to give our 3-beat long notes when we're only counting to 2 in each measure. And let's drop that down to about 85. 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, only counting to 2s. Alright, hopping down. 1, 2, 1, 2, only counting to 2s. 2, 1, and And for 35, we'll go to for Baritones Only. There we go. And let's drop that down to 70. I feel like 70 is a good tempo for baritone T. Fine. I'll just transpose it. 1, 2, 3, Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.